Hey, aloha.
Aloha. Do you have a feeling that 2021 just went way too fast? Perhaps you have all these plans on the beginning of the year about taking better care of yourself or changing for a new career, changing jobs, and you didn't have enough time. Or perhaps you just have the most amazing 2021 ever, but you're just looking on creating something different, something more meaningful in your life.
We are so excited right now because we are going to be coming to Sedona to help as many people as we can to embrace a brand new year ahead in 2022 using conscious manifestation, the ability to actually co-create and not be guided by somebody else's plans for you. This is one of the times in your life that you can actually participate in your own future. And we are really excited to be able to do this with a group of people in Sedona on November 20th at the Sun Moon uh, Studios. And we will be doing dance, we will be doing written affirmations. Um, what else?
Meditations, sound healing, we'll have live music. We'll be using it's a combination of ancient and modern tools that we have been using for over 10 years to create the amazing life that we have. And we're super, super excited to share this with you. So join us on November 20th. There is a link down below here where it says book now. There is a limited space for, I believe, for 20 people.
20 people,
So
yes.
join us right now. And if you have any questions, just reach out to us.
If you're in Sedona on November 20th, you do not want to miss this. This is an opportunity to really get a hold of your own empowerment and be able to really create something amazing for 2022 and beyond. The tools that we'll be giving you will help you for the rest of your life. We guarantee it. I'm Steven.
And I'm Yara, and we're sending all this aloha from Hawaii and bringing this aloha from Hawaii to you. Aloha.
Aloha.